Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go over the most important Pro plugin that you're most likely going to use when you switch to a $99 per month Pro plan. Now if you're on the hobby plan, this will be off for you just like it's for me now. But I'm going to jump into my paid community. I'm going to show you how this is set up. Alright, so I'm here in my paid community and you can see this is already on. So you have to click here and you're going to set up DM, and this will be sent when someone signs up for your community, right? So I have a very simple template here. Hi, first name, and then welcome to, and then mention the group name and introduce yourself. If you have any questions, let me know. So something very simple. You cannot have too many words here. You can see only 300 characters. So you parts here, right? So there we go. A module or a course already prepared inside your community, you can link them there. Otherwise, you can just say, go ahead and introduce yourself. You can just start with step number 2. And you can ask a question here. So I'm just going to create an alternative here. Hi name, welcome to group name. And then I'm going to make that the first step here. Ask over here, what are you looking forward to 6 months? That's it. And then they might respond to this question here, and then you can, if you have resources that is going to help this person, you can guide them to that resource. Okay, that way you're asking question and people are engaging, and you can guide them to the right place. All right, so this is an out message. You can use any one of these two onboarding message. And then once you're done, go ahead and click save. You can even preview it to see how it looks like. So this is how it's going to look like. To DM new members. Sometimes when, members join in, they don't really open their DMs, but that's okay, right? You still have to DM them and welcome them and guide them towards the right place so they don't waste time inside the community. Again, this plugin is not available in the $9 hobby plan. So that's when you're going to be able to use the auto DM new members plugin.